Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week so that you can stay up to date on everything that's new with MobileSentrix and some of the content that we're putting out there for you guys to view. So let's get into the video. In case you guys missed out on last week's videos, let me quickly go over what those were. We did a recap on Monday, of course. Tuesday, we covered the channel Joey Does Tech, where he walked us through a PS5 repair, including the BIOS chip swap, with some interesting results. It was a great video, so definitely check that out. The end of the video that I uploaded apparently got corrupted, so it didn't fully upload. I'm not going to take the time to re-upload it because you can just head on over to his channel and watch the video and react it and get your own reaction to it. On Wednesday, we covered a repair on a Motorola Edge where it had no display. So we walked through the process of how to diagnose and how to fix this no display issue. On Thursday, we covered an interesting repair on an iQOO Neo 5 Snapdragon CPU failure, which is a very common issue amongst the Snapdragon 800 series, which basically requires you to pull off the RAM and the CPU, reball them and put them back on. This is a very common issue amongst a lot of different models of CPU. And so this, although not a common phone for you guys to be working on, can give you an idea of what this takes to do this type of repair. And then on Friday, we went over an iPhone 12 that was having issues where with an original display, you'd have no touch. However, with an aftermarket, for some reason, you would have touch on the display. So we went through the process of showing how to solve for that issue. So if you haven't checked out those videos, I highly recommend it. Now on to the updates on the website. The controllers and peripherals of the game controllers for the PS5 with a bunch of popular games, along with housing shells for the Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con controllers, Slim Pro, and a Nintendo Switch, along with a bunch of other accessories. So if you do console repair or console sales, this is definitely something that can help you up those sales in customizing those consoles. So definitely check those out. And there are some new repair tools, including the PW11 Power X High Refresh Screen Multimeter and the T8280 infrared preheating plates. If you do a lot of motherboard work on larger motherboards like game consoles, computers, this preheating platform helps you get up towards those temperatures to make it so when you use a rework station, it's much easier to work with. Along with the F2010 True Tone Transfer for iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max. It's a new adapter that you plug in to the main hub. And if you have a set of screwdrivers that you like, except you don't like that they aren't as magnetized as they need to be, I highly recommend getting these multiple color screwdriver bits magnetizers. They slide onto the ends so that you can have a more magnetic screwdriver that holds onto those pesky screws that like to slip off the end. There's some big price drops on pre-owned phones and watches, including the Google Pixel 9, the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the Pixel 8, and the Google Pixel Watch 3. And last but not least, we're introducing the Casper Pro line tempered glass for the Motorola devices. So definitely check those out if Motorola devices are commonly repaired by you guys. Well, that wraps up today's video. If there's a specific type of repair that you'd like to see in one of my weekly videos, leave it in the comments below. Or if there's a channel or a specific YouTube video that you'd like for me to review, link it in your comment below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.